My child had fever 15 days ago, but he's still coughing. This is something I hear almost every day in my clinic. Most parents feel that once the fever is gone and medicines are given, the cough should also stop. But that's not always how it works. After a viral infection, the airway stays inflamed for up to 2 to 3 weeks. So even though the infection has settled, the cough continues. This is called post-viral cough and it's very common in children. And that's why sometimes your child keeps coughing even when everything else looks perfectly fine.